Yo guys, what's up? Dumelan, how are you guys doing? I'm about to take you back to the early 2000s, if you know what I mean. 12 years ago or something like that, this song came out. If you're here for the first time, my name is TT. I am from Botswana. And yeah, if you're here for the first time, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel, and then hit that like button. It is for the algorithm. This next artist, I'm too excited. I cannot wait. This next artist is from Botswana. Big up to Botswana. Okay, round of applause. This one is yeah, man. I don't react to a lot of Botswana music, but when I do, it's exciting. Okay, so Zeus, one of the biggest artists out there in Botswana. So
put him up in the air, let me see your hands. My fly ladies in the place and all my mans. Hip hop's in the spot when they play this jam. It's that real pimp for me, you can smell it. Damn, they like that's what's up. 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 If it's mic rocking, no option. I'm in no cop blocking. I'm locking, shooting like John Stockton. Call cops.
It got so many words, man. He even said, he mentioned something that in this song, I was listening to it earlier. I'm like, whoa. He mentioned that before Kendrick Lamar. Listen to that.
If it's mic rocking, no option. I'm in no cop blocking. I'm locking, shooting like John Stockton. Call cops.
Shit, like just like what? This from Botswana talking about John Stockton. If you are Stockton, if you are a hip hop fan, you would know that Kendrick Lamar mentioned him on his latest song, not latest, but yeah, you know.
See, we robbers, we poppers, we drop it, we profit, we forfeit, never cause we enforce it, true logic, shabada. Cuff with beats got babada, flow styles got several, mean cuts I several, fresh talk like steamer roll, play hard so the team will ball, Blake Griffin, Chris Paul, highlight, switched off, big talk, big moves, big dudes, cough, sick dude, kicking these rhymes like karate or jujitsu, punching these lines with my knuckles as my fist flew, enter the dragon, I came to spit on the track and you hear I'm taking it back and straight to the era of rapping, I swear big yellow be clapping.
The flow.
Abracadabra magic, I'm making it happen. Count me in so the paper gets stacking. See my flow is a weapon. Now this is a stick up like put him up in the air, let me see your hands. My fly ladies in the place and all my mans. Hip hop's in the spot when they play this jam. It's that real pimp for me, you can smell it. Damn, they like that's what's up. They like that's what's up. They like that's what's up. They like that's what's up.
Yeah, this was like a big song. I mean, it still is, but when it came out, it was so big because AKA was still young. Tumi as well was, you know, like Zeus in Botswana. This was like respectful. Like he brought all these guys that were at that time controlling the market in South Africa, and he brought them in Botswana on. I think Zeus was still like based in South Africa at that time, studying stuff like that. Anyway. This was exciting time.
The on-song, on-form performer of all sorts, goes genre hopping across songs and it's all sport. Don't call it a box it. The hook is awesome, combination is monstrous. Zeus and the old guard, but they say you need locals. Homie, we dot coms, foreigners across oceans. Flowers on Coast Guard, showboat, go hard for dope, so they know us like the back of their hand. All the anthems chorus, show up in a Rover, just to show off how I whip him with the lip like I sold cars. Z got the cosign, cause he been going hard, and Big Brother C is hip hop, there's no house. That's what's up, it's piff like Pastor Blunt. Spit that Stuyvesant, sick cancer lung. Came from slums and being cold rapper punks, till we on air like asthma pumps. What's up?
Put him up in the air, let me see your hands.
Where were these guys taking all this words, man, at that time? Life was still easy.
All my mans. Hip hop's in the spot when they play this jam. It's that real pimp for me, you can smell it. Damn, they like that's what's up. They like that's what's up. They like that's what's up. They like that's what's up.
How many gods we touch, they coming up for air. So in the bars we trust, in the cuts we plan. The cost to be the boss, too much to spend. The more we running out of to give. Forgive, I'ma do when I see fit. My dreams came true as a grown-ass kid. Now everything I do is under the spotlight, but you can never be the new kid on the block twice. Playing my cards right, scooping the walls and I went hard the whole night. Shots of Patron, loose in the bar, she Einstein. Playing the part, giving me dome, the smart type. It Hollywood nights. Gab City Zeus got the bottles on ice. Tumi volume, blessed Ramadan vibes. First time in my life, I got nothing to prove. First time in my life, I got something to lose.
Put them hands in the air, let me see your hands. My fly ladies in the place and all my mans. Hip hop's in the spot when they play this jam. It's that real pimp for me, you can smell it. Damn, they like that. What's up? They like that. What's up? They like that. What's up? They like that. What's up?
Oh man, gone are those days. AKA is no more. Rest in peace, AKA. Time, man, time. We don't have time. Okay, we don't really have time. It seems like we do, but we don't. Yeah, that was Zeus, AKA Tumi. Yo, okay, that was a good one. Thank you so much for watching this, guys. If you're here for the first time, like I said earlier, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. These guys are now legends. If you want to go check out Zeus, he's now like putting out really mature music, you know, age. But that was fun. That was fun. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the other side. If you want to see a song from Zimbabwe, come with